Sorry guys. So, joke lang, hindi May 12, April ngayon. Ngayon tayo mag-Roblox series, part 1.
Bro!
Part
Sorry.
1, joke lang. Joke lang guys. Hindi, joke lang guys.
You gotta be kidding me, bro.
Bili ako
ng bago. Bili ako ng Sino who stole my ammo?
I don't know.
You're lying, bro.
Bro, I'm not lying.
No, Shawarma. You're
Shawarma.
lying, Shawarma.
Bro, that's mine! That's mine! Bro, binili ko yun! Sa akin yun!
Kuya, akin na yung remote.
Nasaan?
Ano guys, let's go?
Di pa.
Did you stole my ammo? Or beans? You can have this instead.
Yeah, you have
No, I have that, bro.
Oh no, that's mine. No, shh.
So,
Elijah!
Yeah.
Give it back or give it
Um,
back. Give it back. That's mine.
Bro, get.
I don't know where's it. Bro, that's mine.
Nah, bro.
Give it back to me.
Are you dumb? That's it, bro.
Bro, I'm so dumb, dude.
Alright,
So dumb. Wana, dito ako sa front. Dito ako.
Guys, part 2 time.
This is part 1, guys. So, naglalaro kami ni Wanma, tapos si Vince, Roblox series part 1. Joke lang guys, hindi, May. Ngayon, April 20. Sa akin tong, bro, what are you doing? Bro, you glock. Bro, just pick it. Bro, that's mine. Hell nah. Bro, that's mine.
No,
No. That's yes. That's mine. It's mine. Bro, it's mine, dude.
Nah, that's mine. I collect it.
Wait for me.
Sorry.
Bro, just
Wait for me, guys.
Just wait for one mod, dude. You're this.
Now we got 300 slime. Now let's go. What? Ano?
It's suspicious. It's little bit sus.
Suspicious kayo din.
Joke lang, nasa top ako.
Dito na lang ako sa taas. Sana.
Working.
Ulit mo.
Bro, it's working, dude. You're dumb. I can see.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, it's working, dude. Bruh, hey.
I need fines.
Let's go.
So, bilis? So, pabilis po debut, ganon?
There's a stacking.
Yes, finally.
Big job of grenade.
No. Oh, that's mine. And this is mine. And, this is mine. Vince, did you stole my, coin?
Grenade.
Vince, did you stole my...
Kinulit ko na. Ako na una.
Vince,
I got
give me my coin. Give me.
Wala na. Kinulit ko na. Are you dumb?
Stop lighting.
Bro, it's in your backpack?
No.
It's not in your backpack.
Yes.
Guys,
And-
it's gonna be night time. This is 8 p.m.
Walang yun?
Hey, look, it's a churchy. Hey, look, I found a church.
Bro, church? Bro, there's... Wait, the guys, help me. What do you find on... Vince, we're gonna be suspicious.
What is so special?
Anong suspicious?
Bro, that's mine, bro!
Oh, that's food.
Bigyan!
Or, ano yan?
Kulang nga, okay?
Ano yan?
Here you go, here you go. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh no! I died. I
Do
died.
you have some fuel for the ano? Lagay niyo
I did
dito
that.
to one. Kailangan natin na guys, do you have some fuel?
No?
Bilisan mo.
Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Vince, ano yung nakuha mo?
Only lang silvers.
I want silver, dude. Just, kapag may Vince, kapag may hahanapin mo yung silver sa akin
Yung
yun.
sa akin yun. Pang
Uy, hindi! Hanap ka ng silver tapos sa akin yun. Kasi may silver ka na eh.
calm down, calm down, calm down.
Oh no, what in the world?
What is it?
What in the world? What the hell ever do?
Oh! Guys, should we stop or not?
We should stop.
Alright.
No! We cannot!
We
Why?
don't have any fuel beans. Look, we got 100 beans.
We gotta be dry. This is dangerous, bruh.
Dangerous. There is danger.
Yeah,
Bro, that's mine it.
Sa akin yan. Hoy, sa akin yan.
Sa akin yung ano na yun.
No, sa akin yan.
Tumahimik kayo.
What is it?
Alright, Alright, ginaganyan mo ako. Ginaganyan mo ako.
What? Vince, what will help me? I don't have a Vince, we need to escape here. Bro, that's mine.
Wala na, pinulit ko na.
Ako na yun, sa akin na yun. Sa akin na. May dalawa ka na yan. May dalawa ka na. Vince, may dalawa ka na. Vince, may dalawa ka na.
Oh, calm down, calm down, calm down.
Give me that.
Guys,
Nana, pinulit ko na.
guys,
Akin na yun. Akin na.
Pinulit ko na.
No. Patay na tayo. Oh no, there's
Go.
that's mine. And this is mine.
Go get.
No. May gas station.
Stop tayo dyan.
Oh, kapag may nahanap kang silver, kung may nahanap kang gold, give me that.
Ano nahanap mo, B?
Oh no! There's zombies in here. May zombie dyan! Vince, pwede yung ayun nakuha mo.
Good.
Huwag mo kasi kulit. Vince, huwag mo kasi kulit.
Malapit na tayo sa checkpoint.
Malapit na tayo sa checkpoint.
Ayan yung ko.
Bilisan mo kasi.
Anna, swim with you,
Anna,
girl.
let's go.
Please, can I trade?
No, you cannot. Baka you stole. I'm gonna buy some assault rifle.
It's to terminate Thanos. Or
We gonna get out of here. Kapag we do this in 2 times, we're gonna be happy. Dito na tayo sa safe zone.
where ba yung call? Stop muna tayo.
Sige.
I don't know why I'm still ignoring you.
Wala na akong
Nakuha yung general store kung may mga ammo sila. Guys, we're cooked.
Why?
We don't have.
There's no coal now. There's no coal.
Tumahimik kayo.
Uy, to. Uy. Sino na stone my arrow? Nabira mo na.
Oh.
Vince.
Wait, kunin lang bandage.
Kuha tayo bandage. Because I don't have the money.
I thought it was 10.
Well, I need some
You need some coal.
I need some
Kaya po natin po to, Vince. Vince, no! Oh my god. Think of this. To stop at checkpoint so we can see the story.
Yeah. You okay? I don't see anything. Just keep going, okay? Keep going.
Ooh, we found a house. Ayan, no? Tara.
Tara,
Stop tayo, Elijah. Alright, stop. So good.
Oh no, there's so many. Oh, that's mine. Oh no, I'm so
Ito namatay, Elijah.
Oo nga. I need my bandage to use. I'm gonna use my bandage. Oh, that's mine. Vince, look at here. It's here. Look at it. Meron dito. Sa kanya yan. No.
Elijah!
Give me that.
No, that's not. Elijah naman eh. Nakukuha ng mga... Hindi.
Nakakuha na. Vince, nakakuha na akong silver. Uy, may isa ka na. May isa ka na.
Ano lang si Calvin? Gamot kasi ni Elijah. Stop muna
Sige
tayo.
na, oh.
Ano yan?
Sino yan?
Guys? Go. We need to go.
Oh, maingay. Tulog bibi natin. Namin. Ingay mo kasi. Ingay mo kasi magsalita. Ingay mo eh. Maingay ka eh.
Stop.
Stop mo na.
Sa akin yan. No! Elijah ka! Kunin mo na yung plak, Elijah! Mamamatay ako dito.
King Chana.
Kailan mo ako, Vince?
King Chana.
Isa pang pinapayos.
Godmother.
May opening ng waiters sa tea house. Kaya delikado.
Alright! Take na.
Oh no.
Diyan, patayin mo! Mamatay na ako dito! Huwag na mamatay na ako sa inyo, puta.
Teka lang raw.
Hi guys.
fight zombies.
Oh, that's okay.
Bibigyan ka naman ah.
Iniwan niya ako.
Bro. Ronma is so dumb.
Sorry.
Okay, that's okay. Mayroon na tayong ano to, no? Vince. Come here.
I don't have a weapon anymore. Sige, mamamatay ka lang dyan. Ewan ko sa inyo.
Ano na akong bala?
Arna! Ulay! Ulay siya! Did you stop at that stone, Vince?
No, we cannot.
Because there's so many of them.
Dati marla ko nakuha na AR-15 eh.
Wait, it's not moving.
Alright, go.
Go, go, go. Ano? Nilodrum, radras, nirorong,
Wala naman ang
badas.
mga gamit eh.
Namaninis kami sa soho.
Ano bakit?
Donjo. Dondo.
Wait, I'll distract them.
Namaninis kami
Distract mo sila.
sa soho. Nilodrum, radras, nirorong,
I'll distract them
badas.
for you.
Namaninis kami sa soho.
I'll distract you. For you.
Radras,
That's mine.
nirorong,
No,
badas.
that's mine.
Namaninis
No, that's
kami
mine.
sa soho.
Ginatulog ko yan eh. Hindi ka nakikinig. Give me that or bangkak kita.
Waiter.
Hi.
Oh, kinuha ko yan kanina.
Oo nga, nakuha niya yan. Nakuha niya nga yan. Tama si
Mine
Vince.
then. Here.
Tama nga si Vince. Oo nga, sa kanya nga yan. Nawala ka sa'yo eh.
Okay, sir.
Na-drop mo kasi yung ano mo
Kunin mo
eh.
yung ball. Kunin mo yung bull.
Anong bull?
Ayun oh. Yung silver na yan.
Where is it?
Lighting up manners.
What is that?
It's a long day ahead.
Kasi yun.
Ah,
Where's the silver, dude? Just wait for us, dude.
Pretend na nagkukwentuhan tayo.
Bro, you forgot Vince.
At least pretend you're interested.
Okay. Kapag may nakuha tayong Air-15, 1 million tayo ah.
Pasok
We need to reach it up. Saan ko laminate it? Bangka. Oy!
Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry. Bro, that's why. Let me see where's the...
Elijah, gamitin mo yan pang fuel.
Bro, that's mine. Kailangan ko yan pang money. Pang money ko yan. Oh, that's mine.
No,
Bro, ako yun ang una. Sa akin yun.
Enjoy your laptop.
Hindi kita share talaga.
Oh, that's mine.
Ako nga. Let me try. Wait.
Alright, just a little bit. Alright, let's go. That's big.
So, Vince is so close. Vince.
Are you serious?
Are you serious, Corny, bro?
Bro, are you serious?
You guys are serious.
Come to wear
Yeah.
my SS. Come to wear my SS.
Bro, you're dumb.
No, I'm not dumb.
Vince is dumb, dude. Kasi nandun kasi siya.
Ah, bato.
Huwag na kayo magawa. Malapit na tayo sila mga church.
Oh, malapit tayo na sa...
Should we stop at that church?
Yeah. I know it. One, two. There's a checkpoint here. Malapit na tayo sa checkpoint.
akin yung mga iba. Uy, kailangan ko ng... Uy, Elijah, sa akin yan!
What is it?
The bat!
Bro, that's for Vince, dude. Wala siyang anong hammer. Bro.
Wait, that's mine, that's mine. That's
Bro, that's a picket it.
Vince, I found you.
What is it?
Here is for you.
No,
Bro.
I have it.
Yeah, you have it. Yeah,
Go,
ayun mo.
Elijah.
I have katana.
Alright, nobody watch it. Let's go.
Okay? Give me that. Sorry guys ah. Vince, paano malapit na tayo sa... Vince!
We need to stop at...
Bro, that's... Bro, are you dumb?
You got 63 ammo in it. I'm so...
Bro, get back my...
Hey, yo, he's soft. He's soft. Hey, yo, look at this.
What is it?
Hey, give it back right now. Or I'm gonna punch you.
What? You know?
Give me back.
You mean the
That's
block?
mine!
No. Give me back in a vase. Silver.
Okay, fine, here.
Bro, that's for Vince, dude. That's not a
Give me
silver.
back in silver.
Fine. Oh,
Thank you. Ang init yung screen.
Di mainit ang screen ko.
let's go. We're at
go.
the checkpoint.
Malapit na tayo sa checkpoint.
Go.
Let's go!
No.
No. Hindi ko na yun, oh.
No! Ah!
Why?
Oh, it's nothing. Go.
Just go.
Alright, trading post. Trading post.
Trading post. Trading post.
There's a core.
Bro, that's mine!
There's a core.
Bro, that's...
Guys.
Bro, you
guys,
steal
Ano?
my coin.
core.
What? Oh, buy it.
I have my 9 money.
Who just stole my... Who just stole it?
Guys, we need to shoot them.
I need this.
Bro. You gotta be eating.
There's a lot of zombies.
That's my baby.
There's a lot of zombies. We need to kill them. Or else we're cooked. Okay, kayo lang po.
Oh no, I'm cooked.
Okay, kayo. My goodness. My goodness.
Oh no, I'm cooked. Vince. Sophie.
No, come.
Vince, I'm cooked.
My God. This is mine, okay?
Bro, I need some, trading post muna. Trading post muna. Saglit lang. Trading post, ah.
Wait, incognito po yan?
Bro.
Going running.
Sorry. Tinatry ko na yun. Bro, wag mo si.
I found some zombies na ba?
I need guys a rifle or gun.
I need some assault rifle too.
Go your way.
No, I got some money, so I need to...
Swerte ka ngayon. Target is on the island. I repeat, target is on the island.
Did you get it? Vince, did you get it?
No.
Di mo pa na-get? Bro, everybody,
Guys,
Punta na ako sa port.
we need guys.
Oh,
Uy, Elijah kasi.
Alexa, ibalik mo yan!
Ano bang ginawa mo, Elijah?
Roblox.
Tama na, wag na kayo
maglaro
Uy,
ng
saan ka
Roblox
yun?
kung ganyan kayo, ha?
Wait, boy, wait, bro. Sige, bago muna tayo, yung crush.
Wala
Uy,
naman
sa akin yun!
Huwag na kayo maglaro ng Roblox.
You stole my... You're stealing my ano. Inuubos mo lang, Inuubos mo lang yung... Yung...
Enough na yan.
Someone's... Bro!
Let's go.
Yan kasi.
Galing kami sa Roblox eh.
Yan kasi.
Wait, I found some gum. Teka lang.
Mom. Ano ba yan? Isn't it too early for that?
No, that's fine.
Bro, it's for Vince.
Bro,
Everything's good.
one
Yeah, everything's good.
Wait, is that picture with Elijah?
Yeah, that's
It's
me.
you.
Oh, okay.
Dad is proud of you and he loves you very much.
Bakit ba natin siya pinag-uusapan?
Ito, dito ko yan.
I'm here to check on you.
And to let you know na may dala
Really
ako
dumb,
additional
Elijah.
security.
It's not straight, bro.
I live here alone.
Wait, while I stole my ano, while I stole my pistol. No. My ano, ammo's pistol.
Imagine yung ano, di ba? Kailangan mo ng aim dito, tapos ganyan. What? Para maka-aim yung ano.
Hey guys.
Ganda. Please. Ka naman, ay tagtampo mo ng cellphone.
Yes, please.
gumalaw ka na.
Sa English.
Nagkagalaw na ako ah. I got a badge. Woo! I did jump.
Look for find a store and
You know.
let's go.
Okay.
Jump punch.
Mm. Chair. Bro, what are you doing? Bro, what are you doing, dude?
Dito mamaya. Importante malagay tayo sa bill.
Meron pa doon, Vince, oh.
Lock and loaded 257
How long before you can reach the system?
May isang very possible combination kung gusto mo
No.
ng system. Kasi dami ng batay ng buhangin sa mundo.
Oh no.
Hirap siyang gawin.
Nothing.
Hello?
What's that? What is it?
Yes, ma'am. How may I help you?
Give,
Yes, I need your help.
give Vince that. Give that Vince. Give Vince, Walma ha. May nakuha si Walma.
Alright, go.
May nakuha si Walma doon. I don't know.
Wala na magpapos
Bro, you're just hacking or something.
I found some cool flower fields.
Hello? Hello?
Email na may files.
Nananap ka, Vince?
What's your
Huh?
stuff?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Alam mo mahirap.
Sinabi ko, mahirap siyang gawin.
Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Fresh.
Tara na. Vince, andyan ka na.
Yeah.
Vince, andyan ka na.
I'm cooked. No!
Elijah,
Eh, na-stuck kasi ako eh.
bilisan mo na.
Sa stop rin ako. Saglit lang. Gaya.
Ano ba? Huwag kayo magja-jump. Nakakainis kasi pag nagja-jump kayo eh.
Dito lang mo sa toss. Toss lang eh.
Rule number 1, do not jump. Rule number 2, do not steal somebody.
Money.
Rule number 3, only rule number 2 lang.
Ilang gas na? Ilan na gas? Ilan na yung gas?
Do stop at store.
We do it.
Ano meron ba dito?
I found some coal.
Well, I found some gummies. And I found a gun too. Oh no, where to? Unless I got a lot of ammo. Oh no. Okay, quick go. Come on.
That's why. Why are you going forward? Get out my way.
This guy is AFK. Oh no, bitch, watch out! Do not hurt my finger.
Why is he there, bro? Bro, that's not... Sorry. You found the bandage? Okay, this is mine now. Oh no. Vince, I need some block.
Meron doon sa sa loob.
Pero, tulungan niyo ko.
Okay, fine. It's morning now, so we're gonna...
Tulungan mo ko.
Okay, fine. Ano? Vince, where are you? Vince, where are you?
Where are you, dude?
Where are you? We need you some help.
One Vin ako. Oh no. I'm a legend. Oh no. Senorita excuse me. Ay.
Sam. You need to watch where you're going. I'm really sorry, Sam. Do something, dumbass.
Ay yo.
Vince, nasan ka na?
Hindi ka kita nakita, di ba?
Ay yo. Just ay yo.
Sam, tama na yan.
Hindi nakuha mo, Elijah.
Nakuha ko na.
Vince, are you in the...
Ito na. Walma, ito na oh. Ayan oh. Ayun oh.
Okay, you got... Oh, no! Oh, no.
This guy's AFK, dude. Meron pa dun, Vince, oh. Wala lang, puno na yung bag ko. Hindi pa puno yung bag ko.
Ako din. I wish... Well, another ammo is worth it.
I just...
Oh, hell na! Do not, my bear.
I found some flashlight.
Ano ba yan?
Wait, did you
Tinatanong ko.
grab it?
Paano mo naging
No.
pinsan? Yung si Jerry?
I don't know where's it.
Jerry,
Oh,
nanay mo namin.
There's a minigun ammo.
yeah, it's a minigun.
Yeah, you know. That's in the store, bro. We need to drink it.
Magkano ba yung ammo? Magkano ba yung...
I don't know. Ano lang yung 30?
My bag is full now. Wait, where's the truck?
Nandun na ako. Why did you do that?
Oh.
I was just late. What do you...
Why did you do that, Vin?
I'm late in school, bro. You late on school? Late ako.
Teka lang.
Dali na, late ako sa school. Uy, dali na, malilate ako sa school. Sige na nga, malilate ka na nga sa school. Punta ka na doon sa school mo.
Lapit na ba tayo?
Di ko lang konti pa.
Wait, stop!
Stop! I played this game before. What?
Are you serious?
Guys, i-place yung mga gamit nyo pa kapag puno na.
Guys, di pa ako puno. 7 pa.
Dito
Kanina.
na ilagay yung mga gamit niya tapos i-bed na natin, okay?
Sige.
Well?
Yeah, I know it. Komiso soho. Bradras rumpada. Lumeninis komiso soho.
Man, this stupid zombie.
Uupo na lang ako. Uupo na lang ako. Uupo ako.
Stupid zombie. Guys, anong oras na?
I don't know. Tignan mo kasi. 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Uy, huwag mo iiwanan.
Ano? Tingnan ko. Wait, teka po. Hindi pa rin ako ngayon. Okay, tingnan ko nga. Alright, let's go, let's go. Uy, si Vincent! Si Vincent!
Maingay ka, maingay.
Alright, guys, it's a full video.
Yeah, this is a full video too. Sa May 1 yung full video. This is part 1. This is part 1. Why did you say, first time playing? Bakit sabi mo?
Stop at store.
Bakit sabi mong? Bro, that's mine. Bro, that's mine.
Sorry. It's okay.
You're just dumb, dude.
I'm not dumb.
I need some bullets. Malapit lang maubos bullets ko eh.
Let's go some bus.
Bro, that's mine. It's mine.
Guys, meron ako nakita mga dalawang stuff. Uy! What about this painting?
Ha?
What about this painting?
Uy, dalihan mo na.
Let me get this painting. Actually, we're at a second checkpoint now. I'm gonna put the painting here.
Oh no.
Oh, let's go. Jump!
Bro, you're dumb like.
Bilisan mo. Go.
Go.
Alright, we're here at the checkpoint.
I need it.
Alright, let's go. Bilisan nyo.
Kahit sabihin niya okay na siya.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go, bro, that's mine.
Nakakatakot. Because one day,
Bro, that's mine.
yung anak mo, nawala na para sa'yo.
Guys, help me, guys.
I like you.
By shooting.
Saludo ako sa tatang.
Runner?
Guys, collect some money.
That's mine. Bro, are you dumb? Oh no.
Right. Oh, sinasaktan mo ako.
Siyempre yung mga zombie. Hindi na.
Kailangan ko tumalon.
Thank you.
Mamamatay na tayo dito. Goodbye, cruel world.
Anyway, I won't take too much of your time.
Yes!
Baka nasisira
We did it.
sa moonlight.
Matay mo?
No.
Basta sa
Are you serious right now, bro? Bro, there's a bandage! My bandage! Vince, my bandage! Huh? My bandage, oh, you know! Bro, look at it!
Dami nila! Naglalag ako!
My bandage, oh! There's a bandage.
Bagay! Tulungan niyo ako!
Tulungan mo ko, Wanma, merong bandage dyan, no?
Please help me! Tulungan mo ako! Tulungan mo ako na...
Wanma, tulungan mo ko.
No, you need to... Well, guys, please like the video. So, to be continued to, so we need to make a part 3 to. So, yeah, part 3 to.
Bukas,
Bye.
bukas part 2. Bukas part 2. I will give up myself. I will give up. Don't give up.
Please, revive us.
Revive mo ko.
Revive us, Vince. Na,
Na, what?
kasi back ako sa bayan at tapos sa kabila ko.
Same team, same.
Kaya,
Ayun o, merong ano dito. Play mo lang.